Danny, we have quite a divided global stage, divided, fractured on issues like international trade, and now completely fractured on issues like climate change. What are the consequences of that?
Well, I mean, obviously the story I always think is you need allies, and we're Europeans. The Europeans see actually a great fracturing between themselves and the United States, and that clearly can't be good. I mean, we heard that line from Macron clearly aimed at the president. I mean, it was not let's make America great again. It's like make the planet great again. So we're seeing a great fracturing with our allies. I thought the point you made a little earlier was really interesting. You say that we must do this for businesses, and businesses say you mustn't do this. So there's not just a disconnect between continents, there seems to be a disconnect between leadership and business. I think the other thing, in fact, probably for business, and we'd like to hear what people have to say, but this is really very enhanced uncertainty. Think about Brexit in Britain. If you're a firm in Britain, you've no idea what those arrangements are going to be, and you sit there and you say, goodness me, I'm going to sit on hold. Now you see this arguing between countries and governments. Presumably this is bad for investment. I mean, that's the question. This doesn't look, you like certain calm things, and what we're getting is the economy's been hitting by these huge shocks, and policymakers are sitting, and presumably, well, let's hear, presumably businessmen are worried about what's going on. How do you know what the future holds?
Well, you can take a look and see policy uncertainty indices, record high levels.
Yes.
But also business confidence indices at extremely high levels.
Right.
There's a confluence of factors.
Absolutely.
You know, no incremental new regulatory uncertainty in the United States. There's lots of sunk costs, but nothing new happening.
Right.
Confidence is very high. I think a good deal of the policy uncertainty in the United States, at least if you look back a few months ago, was, well, how large will our tax cuts be? And it's a little bit different. So there's been lots and lots of costly politics. And a great deal of uncertainty about it, but nothing that rises to the threshold of interrupting economic activity.